Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video, I'll be talking about multicolor 3D printing. I'll be using these Funko Pops as an example for why I chose to paint them instead of using my AMS. For those who are not aware of what AMS is, it stands for Automatic Material System. It allows you to create multicolor prints. I'm sure a lot of you have heard that it can waste quite a bit of filament, but my biggest issue is no longer how much it wastes, but how much time it takes to create a simple print such as a Funko Pop. I'm about to slice this print. Take a look at the time difference it would take to make a color print and a regular print with one color. Now, I do understand that not everyone can paint, and personally, I don't see myself as someone who can paint either, but I try. It is somewhat soothing, and I'm glad that I picked up 3D printing as a hobby, as it introduced me to painting and modeling, creating things and having them physically manifest is truly magical. I do want to talk about these latest 3D prints I've done. See, I accidentally broke this Funko Pop as I was removing the supports, but luckily I've been introduced to this glue called 3D Gloop. It manages to chemically bond PLA to PLA within seconds. So every time I've broken a piece during support removal, I wasn't worried one bit, as I knew I can just glue the parts back together. So a big thumbs up to 3D Gloop, really great stuff. If you like this video so far, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to the channel, as I'll be making similar content in the future. Now I know how this may look like. It seems like it's a lot of work compared to letting your printer just do everything for you. And you may be right, and your print might even come out looking better than my painted models. But hey, I chose to do this because I wanted to save time, and I'm always constantly needing to print something new. I'll talk a little bit why I chose to print these Funko Pops. You might even recognize some of them. I printed Ichigo from Bleach, Boruto from Boruto, Frieza from Dragon Ball, Deadpool and Wolverine, and this level 3 bot from old school RuneScape. All of these characters mean something to me. I really loved watching Bleach, Boruto and Dragon Ball as I was growing up, and just recently been also re-watching some of those animes. Deadpool and Wolverine, best movie of 2024, hands down. This level 3 bot from old school RuneScape, well, it's kind of hard not to print this model, especially after having invested more than 10,000 hours into the game. I decided to put all of them on top of my monitor, and it's fun to look at them once in a while, just as a quick break from whatever I'm doing on the computer. I do sit and live in front of the screen pretty much all of my life. Let me know down in the comments if you would have waited 20 plus hours to create some of these models instead of painting them. Or let me know when you think is the right time to paint and when is the right time to use the AMS or multicolor printing. I thank you for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one.